Hey Plant Pals, Mike the Gardener, and this is just a quick video on a prize mail call that I won from Nikki, the OCDS chick. She was having her birthday and monetization celebration, and I won. Get it out of here. I do these things one-handed, always a pain. I won some plant labels. Now I've been, I keep looking at these and I couldn't decide on which ones I wanted, and I won these. Well, I should have used my stand for this. Tell you what, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I put everything on the stand here so I can use two hands. Anyway, these are something I've been looking forward to having for quite some time here. These are plant, I don't wanna, these are the wires for them. Let's pull them all out. These are writable, two-sided plant labels. And what you do is you take a pen and you write, and it embosses the lettering. Let me see if I can grab one of my old ones here. Right back. I have some right near me, of course. When I'm looking for them, I can't find it. Oh, here it is. This is what I used to actually, lucky grab. I just reached down and grabbed them. By the way, none of these tomatoes grew. This is a label that I wrote with permanent marker that when I put them out in the garden, and it's the same with this one, when I put them out in the garden, the rain, this is the permanent marker, mind you, the rain just washed them clean. So I had no idea what I had planted in the spring. So that's why I wanted these, because this won't wash away. This one, I don't want to ruin one by writing on it. And I don't know if you can, if you rub it really strongly, if it'll or if you have to buy some new ones. I'm not sure. That's something I'll have to experiment. But then you have the wire to tie them or stake them to the plant. So that was a very cool prize that I won from Nikki the OCDS chick on her birthday. She's 21 now, I guess. And yeah, so that's really cool. All right. And this, I just want to show, this is a quick thing. This is a mint plant. This is how crazy mint is. This was in the tub back there that had, when the power went out to that to my whole area here because of the construction, this thing had no moving water or light for like 2 weeks. And when I went to throw the plant away, I saw that there was just a tiny bit of life still left in the there was like just one or two little living buds left. So I just stuck it in this old creatine container, and it's thriving, which is really cool. So yeah, all right. So again, happy birthday and happy monetization to Nikki, the OCDS chick. Really appreciate the prize that I won. It'll be well used and will hopefully make me a little slightly less chaotic. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.